top here at Unique Specialty and Classics. I'd kind of put this car in the Survivor category. It's been in the same family since 1972. Looks very much the way it would have back in 1965 when it rolled off the showroom floor. This one's a 1965 Ford Galaxie 500 convertible. 289 powered car. 4-barrel. Power steering. Cruise-o-matic automatic transmission. Let's take a look at the bright work up front. Headlight surrounds. Paint code is R, so this is a dark ivy green metallic. Check out the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can check out all the still pictures. If you're watching this video on YouTube, down below in the description there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right to our website. We can check out the pics. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. I love the look of these red line radials on this with the wheel covers with that red highlight on the center. You can see paint has a decent shine to it. It does show its age a little bit, but overall, doesn't look too bad. This one will turn some heads. Nice looking color combination. Interior would be 68 trim code, which is light ivy gold vinyl. You can see up and down the passenger side of this car. Panels appear pretty straight. Not noticing any major nicks, dings, or scratches. A few touch-up spots here and there. Did notice a couple little spots kind of lower, a little bit of corrosion right there. And one over on the driver's side. I'll try to remember to show you that. You'll be able to see in the still pictures also. Get a good look at the vinyl interior. We'll start it up here at the end of the video, let you hear it run, check out underneath the hood. I'll show you the top going up and down, white vinyl top. Jason will take it for the drive at the end. But first, we want you to remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. There you get a good idea of the chrome in the rear bumper. Paint on the trunk lid. A few just little spots like this. There might be a touch up here or there. Be a fun one for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. And once again, take your time looking through those still pictures, UniqueClassicCars.com. If you like the Ford convertibles, or maybe you're into Galaxie 500s, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase, whether it's online or right off our showroom floor. There's that spot of that corrosion I wanted to point out. Give you a good idea how that driver's side looks. Let's take a little closer look at this interior and let's get this thing fired up. Door panels appear that they may even be stock. Seat belts front and rear. Did not notice any major rips, tears, holes, anything in the vinyl. It's fired up. Again, 289 4-barrel underneath the hood. We're going to want to have this in neutral. Here we go. Gotta like that. Cold light. That was a cold start. I've not played around with the radio at all. Turn that on and leave it on. Oh, radio comes in, sounds like. You can change the stations. Power's up. I've not got reception.
To be asked. Okay.
There we go.
I would not be doing my job as a fan person.
Here's the fuel gauge is working. Top of the dash looks good. And this does have a power top, by the way. So when I show you the top going up, door closes nicely, sounded good. Top will be going up under its own power. We'll check that out in just a bit. Let's take a listen. Nice little rumble coming out of that 289. This car does have new heater core. Brakes are 80%, front and rear are better. And new rear wheel cylinders. Let me go ahead and pause this a second. I want to pop the hood. We're going to check that out. And then, like I said, stick around, show you the condition of the top, how it works, and we'll take it for a drive. There's a peek at the underside of the hood. And engine bay. Again, power steering equipped car, as you can see there. 289, and that's what this would have been born with as far as engine size goes. Well, it came with a 289. There's the battery disconnect over here in the battery too, for when it's in storage or in between drives. Smooth runner. Alright, so that's the engine bay. Let's go ahead and get the tripod set up here. I want to show you this convertible top functioning, and let's check out the condition. And here we go, convertible top up. Nice fit above the windshield. White vinyl top. Rolled the side windows up too, so you can see how those fit. Those look good. Little wear area right back here. If you need it to keep you out of the sun though, or a shower, I don't think that's going to be a problem. And how many times do you have the top up on this car, right? Alright, passenger side, looking good over here. So there's no major rips, tears, holes. Side windows up on the passenger side. And again, fit above the windshield. (1965) Ford Galaxie 500 convertible. I will show you that top going back down before Jason takes it for a drive real quick too. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Like I said, I'll show you the top going back down. Stick around to the very end. Jason's going to take it for a drive.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1965 Ford Galaxie 500. This is a convertible, and we do have the top down today. Very smooth running, quiet running Ford. Both our turn signal indicators are working on this car. Speedometer works. The fuel gauge is reading a little less than half a tank. Let's see how she does on the highway. Smooth acceleration. Lovely highway ride. It is a nice suspension. It feels very stock. The steering wheel appears to be canted slightly to the right. That doesn't affect performance at all. The factory horn is working. The AM radio also working.
focused on helping people on Medicare open.
The wipers function as they should, and the blower motor works on this car. Door panels look nice, the dash looks pretty nice, the seats, vinyl bench seat in front and back. Some of those greenish beige colors definitely throw back to the mid-60s through the 70s. This one kind of a time capsule. The clock right at the top of the column here in the dash. The second hand is moving. Corners as it should for a 65 Galaxie. Easy to steer, great power steering. Take your friends on a road trip, take it to a show. Just a nice, larger car from 1965. Take a look at all these pictures of the Ford Galaxie at uniqueclassiccars.com.